everyone, you're watching DNA. I'm Veronica Chaudhary and you must be guessing that where I'm today. So let me break the ice. DNA has landed into the breathtaking city of lakes, Udaipur. And right now, I'm inside the city palace. So when we talk about Udaipur, it's impossible not to mention about the world's oldest serving dynasty who have a legacy of more than 1500 years. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the royal family of Mewar. And today, I had the privilege of speaking to Dr. Laksharaj Singh Mewar, the direct descendant of Maharana Pratap Singh, son of Maharana Arvind Singh Mewar, and who's often regarded as the king of Udaipur. While let me take you inside these royal corridors and bring you some exclusive conversation from the man who uphold the pride of Mewar. Today, we have a very special guest with us. He is a businessman, philosopher, a TEDx speaker, sports patron, educationist, and most importantly, he is the 77th custodian of the Royal House of Mewar. He is Dr. Laksharaj Singh Mewar. So, congratulations on this grand ceremony, and I'm more than delighted to have you here. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very kind of you. Thank you.
Sir, when I was reading about you, I got to know that you once worked as a waiter in a hotel.
जी.
So, when I first read that, I was a little taken aback. Ki, how could this happen? I want you to share that experience with us. And how did your parents reacted to this?
अपन सब इस देश में पले बड़े. We come from this beautiful nation called India, Bharat. If somebody comes to your house, do you offer them water? Do you serve them water? Do you ask them for tea, coffee? Sometimes relatives or guests come over to your house. Do you accommodate them at home or not? So I see no difference when this is something that is a part of every Indian's DNA. So at the end of the day, the same way that this entire nation takes care of people who come home, who come visit, and in fact this takes me back to the first lesson of my hospitality class in Australia, where we were 16 students. I was the only lone joker in the entire circus who was an Indian, and they said to me that the Indian gentleman who's sitting, at least they considered me worthy enough of being called a gentleman, does not need to participate for the first 5 minutes of the conversation. So I was getting a little perturbed and nervous कि भाई अब मैंने क्या करा, ये तो मेरा पहला क्लास है, मेरी पहला लेक्चर है और मुझे ये कहा जा रहा है कि पहले 5 मिनट के लिए मुझे इसके अंदर जो है वो शामिल और शरीक नहीं होना है. और मैं बड़ा अटपटा हुआ, असहज हुआ. And जैसे ही प्रोफेसर took the conversation forward and said, okay, the rest of the class, now we will begin this class by beginning to learn from where we need to know and impress everybody who comes in is learn how to smile.
Okay.
So वो लोग भी मानते हैं कि एक भारतीय को मुस्कुराना जो है वो सिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So this is something which is very much a part of us, which is something which is inherent in us, and we should capitalize on it. So there isn't anything different that I do that anybody else in an Indian household or with Indian values or with Indian culture does not do.
That completely makes sense, sir. So my next question to you is, if a biopic were to be made on you, so who do you think, which actor could be the best pick for your role?
I still think I need to work hard. I
Okay.
need to achieve a lot more in life. I think that time and that space is still yet to come. I really need to get out there, roll my sleeves, put my head down, and really achieve things in life first before I even conceptualize of something like this happening on me. But it's very sweet of you. I would like to thank you for thinking me at least worthy that something could get made on me just now. That's very, very kind.
Okay, completely fine. So there was this movie which was released back in 2018 called Padmavat.
Ji.
It sparked a lot of controversy, and you also voiced your concern regarding that movie.
Ji.
So could you please tell what was the main reason why you opposed that film?
Ma'am, I don't think that these topics are made for entertainment.
Okay.
I personally don't believe that sacrifices, people who given their life, are topics where you get entertained or you sit down and they are literally topics which are sacred. It's almost like a prayer, not that it is to be used for somebody's purpose so that they can twist and turn and make something entertaining for people. These are things that are kept very close to your heart and should be worshipped.
So I know you are a huge cricket fan, and you have promoted cricket throughout the Rajasthan, across Rajasthan. So as IPL season is going on, I don't know whether you're following it or not. I wanted to know which team is your favorite and which team are you supporting in this season?
That takes me back to a sentiment in a moment where my father and I both used to discuss and talk about this a lot. Obviously, our favorite team used to be used to be the Rajasthan Royals.
Yes.
And in all honesty, wherever he is, I'm sure he must be listening. And I do want to accept this, that he was a far greater cricket buff than I was. And he would not miss a single match when Rajasthan would be playing. मैं फिर भी इधर उधर हो जाता, मैं नहीं देखता. But अगर मुझे स्कोर पता करना होता या मुझे पता करना होता कि कौन खेल रहा है या किसने अच्छा खेला या किसने अच्छे रन बनाए, then it used to be my father who used to fill me in on all of that, and he really used to cherish this, and it was something that we used to do a lot of this together. One was cooking and watching cricket together. So that is certainly something that I will miss. But yes, Rajasthan Royals, to answer the question.
So coming to my last question, do you have any plans to join politics?
Politics you join to be able to work for the people, and I'm very happy to share the fact that for the last 1500 years the family has been working to serve people, and which is something that I'm doing today as well, and I wish to carry on doing so. It's certainly a way to be able to serve people, which I think the doors are open for every Indian to do.
So thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. So this was Lakshya Raj Singh Mewar with us, and thank you so much for watching. Keep watching DNA.